Hello YouTube, this is xPlainez. Today I'm gonna do my introduction about HTML. First I want to talk about what is HTML. HTML is a language which is used to create websites. So you can make a realistic design for your website. You can work it out so you have a website like like which website? Go on. If you go to YouTube, I will show you. If you go to YouTube, then search for the Bron code. This one, I guess. Then you see some scripting. You see spans. You see a link tag. You see a list tag. You see a lot of different tags. This is all HTML. So yes, but now I want to handle where HTML stands for. Hyper text markup language. That's what it means. Hyper is the opposite of linear. Yeah, it's just if you don't know what hyper is, you just have to search for it. Text is self-explanatory. Markup is what you do with the text, so how you make it up, how it looks like. Language is what HTML is. It uses many English words, like yeah. So like some tags are based on English words like bold. If you want to make something bold, you just put it in the B tag. It looks like this. But anyway, we talked about what HTML basically is. In HTML you have tags and elements, and I want to talk about elements. Tags first, I guess. Yeah, let's talk about tags. Elements give a structure to a HTML document and tells the browser how you want your website to be presented. Elements often use a start tag, some content inside after the start tag, and then the end tag, so the closing tag. Tags. Tags are labels you use to markup, and often, like I said, you have a start tag and a closing tag. And to have some examples, we will make a few tags. I used the heading tag. After that I used the heading 2 tag. You can see it as a subheading, and H1 is the main heading, and inside here is a paragraph. I open it, I close it, and you have the bold tag, which makes the website, which gave the text bold text, so it will be bold. I said that every start tag has a closing tag, but there are exceptions. There are almost always exceptions. That's the bad thing about HTML. These tags you often use in the body, or often you always use them in the body, because we have a basic website layout. You always start like doc type above to make sure you say which doc type it is. HTML we close the HTML tag, we use the head tag, we use the head closing tag, we use the body tag, and we close it again. So this is what your site will basically look like. I will make another map for this. So yeah, but now the first thing you want to do is add content to your website. In the heading we are using a title, which I name hello website. In the body we place a paragraph, and what we place inside there, you can just do whatever you want. You see a BR tag, a break tag, closing break tag, or self-closing break tag, I have to say, because you don't close this one, but you open it here and you close it directly. So what it does, it just breaks the line. It makes sure you have a new line. So this will be at another line. To make sure, I will show you. This is bold, so I make the first line bold and the second line is just normal text. I will open it. Why is it empty? I saved it at the wrong place. Anyway, like you see, this is what I made. It's really easy, doesn't have a background. That is what you do with cascading style sheets, where we aren't talking about right now. So you see text right now. I don't know how long we are recording. I kinda have to know. Okay, we are at 7:20 right now, so we are still going through some things. So what you learned so far is the paragraph tag, the bold tag, the body tag, head tag, HTML tag, or elements. So I think it's necessary to go over a few more tags. And which one will that be? I think italic. We make the second line italic, and we put another line in there, and that line will be striked. So strike, and we put another line in there. You can use strike, or you can use just the S. So I will do just the S because it's shorter and we like short. And also you have underline. So underline. Oh, but I have to place it in paragraph. I think you have to line up your page like I did with using tab. So it's really, when you close this, it really works really nice. So just make sure it looks good. Anyway, when we refresh our website, you will see this is strike, this is italic, and this is underlined. So we made another things up. Also, we should be able to make a list. You have an ordered list or a ordered list. In both, there has to be list items, and they have shorted list items to LE. So we have to make sure that you put a few list items in there. I think I'm going to call them list item 1, list item 3, and list item 2. And of course we place it in the ordered list also to show you what it have done. Like you see, this is putting 1, 2, 3. This is putting just roundings for the list items. Anyway, we are 11 minutes recording, so this was it for now. I hope to see you around. Bye for now. Subscribe and do what you have to do. See you later.